Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. This live stream is going to be short. Why? Because well, we have just one technical analysis and it's the same as yesterday. But now look at this. Well, it looks like the technical analysis we were working before, we were studying yesterday and 2 days ago actually, is working right now. So in 2 days ago we were talking about this potential pullback from this area when Bitcoin was at $48,000 around here, remember? And I said, okay, based on the technical analysis was, okay, I'm expecting a pullback from here sideways maybe all the week, and after the monthly close, we will see any close below $48,000, we will see the pullback in progress. As you can see here, let me show you what happened right now. Well, we are almost there, right? So as you can see, this is the thing, like as a trader we need to project the price based on probabilities. Now let's talk about the 1-day chart. From right today, officially today, we have a sell signal today, sell or range. That means Bitcoin from today has 10 days for holding $43,000 this area. Okay, as long Bitcoin is about $42,000, this is the next move. I'm speculating here right now. Of course, we need confirmation is like this. Okay, so as long Bitcoin is holding 42, 43, my only one concern is Bitcoin is dropping too fast. That is the problem. When I see Bitcoin dropping too fast, it's not healthy in general. I was expecting a little bit more bounces in the progress. For example, here 4-hour chart is breaking the MA55 on 4-hour chart, as you can see here. So this is not good, because actually I was expecting something like this. Let me explain. I was expecting something like this, right? A little bit more healthy, but this is not looking like very constructive. Now something else. 12-hour chart is very clear. The party is over for all the bulls right now. OBV is very clear. Now we have the exponential actually we have the confirmation with the exponential breaking below MA55. Sorry, OBV breaking below the MA55, and as you can see here, the lowest point is around $42,000. So the ADX is negative. Actually, we had the sell signal yesterday, and also the 1-day chart. Now we have this sell signal. So the question is now, because you see something like this, Bitcoin is going to zero? Of course not. This is just, as I said before, is a healthy right now, a potential pullback here, testing this area, and from here is like this. Okay, as long Bitcoin is holding $42,000 this region, I'm expecting a more upside in the market. Now let's talk about invalidation as usual. Okay, invalidation is very easy. This setup is very easy. If you see Bitcoin breaking between $42,000, I will say one day candle closing below the MA55, you will see invalidation here, and you will see full retrace, actually a big drop all the way down to $38,000 again. But honestly, I don't think so. I don't think so. Why? Because, well, weekly chart is still good. So let's talk about the weekly chart right now. You see here we have same levels. As long Bitcoin is above 42, 43 between the MA21 and MA55 in weekly chart. So that means this week Bitcoin cannot close below here. Any close below the MA55. Actually, the validation in weekly chart is going to be around $41,000. Any close below $41,000 this weekend, you will see invalidation, and you will see full retrace all the way down to 38. And also, well, no, actually not just 38. Actually, you will see continuation, something like this, right? Something like this, the ABC correction I was talking about. But honestly, I don't think so. Not yet. Why? Because, well, we have sell signal right now here. Sorry, buy signal here. So as long Bitcoin is having this buy signal, let me show you here. Let me show you this one. We are not bearish here, so we are still speculating Bitcoin. We will see more upside. That is the idea, right? Because, well, we cannot predict the future, but based on probabilities, that is my speculation. Now let's talk about the 5-day chart. No, my friend, I have set invalidations. I am not expecting $38,000 right now. Actually, I'm expecting more continuation to the upside. But as I said, invalidation is below, closing below $42,000 one day candle. You will see, yes, $38,000 tested again. Actually, breaking $38,000. But I am expecting something like that right now. So let's see. For example, here we have this is very constructive. Here the ADX is below the 23 level, so that means all the sell pressure from November 2021 is gone. So I am expecting Bitcoin sideways here between same level between $43,000. This level in weekly chart and 5-day chart. So Bitcoin cannot break this area in order to keep to see more upside. If we see something like this, upside here, and the next level, of course, is going to be $48,000. Eventually, I'm expecting Bitcoin is going to test between $55,000, $56,000 as maximum level of this rally. I am expecting more than that. No, actually, I don't think so. I don't think so. Why? Because we don't have the same signature of bull market right now, like other. I explained this many times, right? Every time when we have this healthy volume in weekly chart, we are expecting a macro bull run for Bitcoin. But here, usually you have your macro corrections. Okay, so we are in a macro correction right now in weekly chart, according to the OBB. So the levels are very clear right now for me. So as long Bitcoin is closing this weekend above $43,000, everything is okay. So please just be careful. As I said before, don't get too greedy right now. In this channel, you will hear how can I say this? Just realistic technical analysis. Okay, I would never say yeah, Bitcoin from here to 100K or that kind of bullshit. No, we are here disciplined traders, and we are following technical analysis based on probabilities. Okay, so I am sure right now here people are saying, you know, TikTokers, YouTubers, that kind of people, they are, it's because the news, right? Russia, China, the war, whatever. I don't care. We were ready for this 2-3 days before. So our job as a traders, we need to anticipate. We are working hard to try to anticipate the move, projecting the move, not like trying to read the future, because we don't have that kind of abilities. No, but using technical analysis or indicators and the tools, we can, based on probabilities, we can project the price. So right now, as I said before, as long Bitcoin is above this level, this is just a healthy pullback. As I said before last time here, the next move is like this. Okay, so now altcoins. I said yesterday, be ready, because actually you are buying altcoins right now. You were buying the tops for many of them, and as you can see, well, good luck with that, right? The buy for altcoins was 2 weeks before, 2 or 3 weeks before, and now actually, at least in I think you are following this channel. I said, well, be careful and just manage your risk. Okay, so now let's continue with the USDT dominance. Here we have here buy signal in USDT dominance, as you can see here. Well, this is not good. Why? Because, well, we can expect some at least a test to MA55 here, and here potential continuation to the downside. But this volatility is contracting, so that means I am expecting USDT is gonna break this level. I don't think so. I think you will see the pullback here, and you will see consolidation here, and after that, continuation to the upside. Why? Because, well, weekly chart is very clear for this. As I said 2-3 days ago, I said, well, USDT dominance is testing around MA55. From here, I'm expecting a bounce, actually. Yes, a bounce. Why? Because the trend is your friend. The trend is to the upside here. So this is just a pullback here in macro time frames, and this is like to the upside. Why? Because monthly chart is bullish. So that means as long USDT is bullish, Bitcoin is not great. So this is very bullish. As you can see here, the ADX is positive here, and we have the close right now. Yes, we have the close, and the slope is positive. everything is right, is very good for the USDT. So that means in some point this year, I am expecting this asset is gonna break the level between 4, and you will see new ATA for this, and that means Bitcoin is gonna break $30,000. That is that actually my technical analysis for Bitcoin in this year, all the year, as I said in November. Maybe you are new in my channel. In this channel, well, in November 2021. I said, okay, here is a sell, and here we will see around mid-30s tested, and from here I am speculating. Of course, this is just a long term, is my speculation, okay? So I respect if you are bullish and you are thinking Bitcoin is to $200,000 this year, totally fine. But as I said before, here in this channel, I'm gonna just say realistic targets for the market based on my experience. Of course, this is just ABC correction between 56 $60,000 even this level, and the ABC correction. Why? Because $30,000 for me based on my experience is the new $6,000 as 2018. Here people were very bullish, yes, to the moon, right, to the moon, and after that what happened? Capitulation, right? So that is the thing. I need to see, as a trader, I need to see capitulation. Also, I need to see all the moon boys from 2020 and 2021 getting wrecked. I mean, really getting wrecked, because actually they are new in the market. They don't know what is real pain. You have experience in the markets at least 6-7 years. You will understand what happened in 2018, what happened in 2019. So here, people who enter here in this market, in this cycle here from 2020 and 2021, they have no idea what is that. So I am expecting in some point this year we will see capitulation. Bitcoin is gonna break potentially $30,000, and from there, let's see. Okay, let's see. Of course, as I said, it's a speculation. Okay, I can be totally wrong, totally fine. I don't care. But that is my speculation based on all my experience in the previous cycles here. And also because we have the monthly sell signal, we have the weekly chart in OBB. Historically speaking, every time when we have this signature here, this downtrend in volume, well, you have your bear markets in volume. Okay, so that means every time, the only exception is here when Bitcoin was in 2016, 2017. But here, I mean, actually, let me explain. I explained this in my private channel, but I want to explain here in the live stream. Okay, from this point, you are new in the markets because maybe there is a very high probability you are from 2020 to 2021. Maybe you don't know what happened here. But what happened here is simple. Before, just retailers were buying Bitcoin, and here, well, your institutions, right? Yeah, people are bullish on institutions, but not me. Why? Because after CMEs entered to the market, you see people were buying around $2,000. They were buying Bitcoin because they say, oh, institutions are coming, new money, blah, 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 all that kind of stupid things. And after that, Bitcoin went all the way up to 2020. And after that, $20,000. And after that, all the Bitcoin crashed to all the way to $3,000. So that is a problem. I can see, based on my experience, I can tell you the market is getting more manipulated here, and especially right now because we have too many sophisticated people in the market. Yeah, so that's why I'm very defensive this year, because for me, in my personal opinion, this is a distribution pattern in the highs. I mean, in the macro time frames. I'm talking about monthly chart. Monthly, why? Because we have sell signal in 1 month chart, we have sell signal in 2 months chart, as you can see, very divergences, and also we have 3 months chart sell signal. So that is telling me I need to be very careful, very careful with my technical analysis. Of course, I am not bearish, of course not. Why? Because Bitcoin is an uptrend. Yeah, the only thing I'm trying to say is I am looking for the cheapest price for Bitcoin in the long term. I mean 2022. So that means, historically speaking, every time when Bitcoin is testing the MA55, as you can see here, in monthly, so around $20,000, around 25 right now, is the best opportunity to buy Bitcoin in the long term. Now let me show you something else. We have this indicator. Actually, you are not new here. Maybe for you, it's like, okay, this got the same thing, right? Okay, let me explain. when I explain this kind of things, it's because usually when Bitcoin is moving like this, my inbox is full and people that are asking me about Bitcoin. Should I buy? Should I sell? Well, first of all, I am not financial advisor, okay? So here, this indicator is the logarithmic regression in weekly chart. As you can see here, is very simple. Every time when Bitcoin is in red, well, you sell, right? Every time when Bitcoin is in green or blue, you buy. So that, as you can see here, buy, buy, buy. So now we are in red. So Bitcoin must break actually here. Let me show you here. Yep, here $42,000, same level. Here, as long Bitcoin is around here, this level $42,000 is key level actually. As I explained before, everything is okay. Any close below $42,000, you will see potentially other invalidations, and you will see all the way down actually this time to $30,000. Okay, but as I said before, I am not expecting something like that. Now in macro time frames, well, we are, according to this chart in this indicator, of course, we are in the highs in a distribution pattern technically. Invalidations, yes, of course. As long Bitcoin is above $30,000, everything is okay. And let me tell you something. I don't want to see Bitcoin testing $30,000 in long time, because if you see Bitcoin testing around mid 30s again, it's gonna be bad for the project, for the price. Okay, so. But that is my speculation, okay? Yeah, invalidations, as I said before, monthly, I explained this yesterday. Any close in monthly, any close above $50,000, this area, $49,000, $50,000, for example, if we had the close yesterday, above this level, yes, you can expect April continuation to $56,000, $57,000, but that didn't happen. So as you can see, Bitcoin got rejected by this level. So this month, is going to be between $42,000 as key level. Okay, so now let's continue with the monthly. The last thing I want to show you, the monthly chart I want to show you here. Okay, not because if I am expecting Bitcoin is going to crash like this in some point this year. I'm not saying today, tomorrow. No. This is gonna take time actually. I'm expecting that maybe in October, November this year, if I am right, of course. As I said, I could be totally wrong. But this is, let me tell you something. Any break from $30,000 in the future like this is the lifetime opportunity to keep buying Bitcoin. Why? Because the trend is your friend, and the trend is to the upside. You see, every time when Bitcoin is touching the MA55, is a buy opportunity in the long term. Okay, so I honestly I want to see something like that. Yes, but if Bitcoin is from here is going to the 100K, I don't care. I mean, I am a trader, so I can trade both sides, right? Short or longs. In 2021 in November, I was just shorting all this. My short was at 66,600 around here, and I closed half here, another half here, and after that I started just playing the sideways, the range for 2 months. So okay, so let's continue with Bitcoin dominance, because actually it's very important. It's very important. USDT dominance. Let me see. Sorry, Bitcoin dominance. Where is Bitcoin dominance? Okay, Bitcoin dominance here. Okay, the good news for altcoins, as long Bitcoin dominance is in downtrend, as you can see, it is breaking actually the key levels right now. I am speculating altcoins will have a very good season. Yeah, because usually when you see these kind of things, well, that means, and also thinking Bitcoin is in uptrend right now, is about to confirm the reversal in 1 day chart. Altcoins, they will have a very nice bounces actually in general. Yeah, so I am speculating in the next 2-3 months we will see other test to 40, and from there potentially we'll see a very strong bounce. So that means the party is over in that time for altcoins. Let me show you the total market cap 2. Total market cap 2, where is here? Yeah. This is reversal in progress. You see, this is the break. Yes, now we need this. The second step is testing this area as new support or area of demand, and from here continuation to this macro area, and from here, well, the party is over for altcoins, at least for long time, I think, because let me show you here. We have Here, weekly chart is still very good. Actually, yes, we have buy signal here. So I think with altcoins at least will test around 1.40 this in the next 2 months, as long as this area is respected. But I am not very confident. I mean, like the bull market, like last year for altcoins. Why? Because the volume is almost zero, right? I mean, it's gone. You want to see your alt season again, like last year? Well, you need to see something like this. Well, according to my system, I mean, my way of trading, in 2020, January 2020, from here to January, June 2021, 1 year in a row. 1 year we have the alt season for actually very strong alt season. Yeah. So from here actually, according to the volume around here, this area, after that, very good rally, and here, no, actually not really. Actually, I said someone with a lot of money, every time when the market is pumping in crypto, they are dumping. Okay. Now let's talk with about. No, I think that's it for Bitcoin. That's it. Let's continue with some altcoins, and I'm gonna answer some questions. Okay. Okay. So let's start with altcoins. Okay. XRP. Okay. I am bullish on XRP. See, not today. I mean, 2 weeks ago, I think. XRP was around here, this area, 0.70, 0.72, and I said, okay, this is like this. A maximum target around $1, maximum, well, 92. Not exact, but I'm expecting the long term, as long as above this area, $1. $1 is gonna be the area I am looking for in weekly chart. We have buy signal here. As long XRP is not breaking this area, it's not closing below 0.79, is the same level in one day chart, is the MA55 here. As long as they're breaking this level, 0.79, everything is okay. This is a retest, and this is like this, okay? But you need to wait, right? I mean, not because I said this, okay, buy here, all in. No. You need to wait for the pattern. What you need to wait for this to see something like this, and after that, when you see something like this, yes, you kind of start thinking, okay, XRP must hold this level, maybe 1 week, something like this, sideways, and after that you see the pattern again, okay, you can start thinking to enter in long position again. Actually, this pattern is for all the altcoins right now. All the altcoins, they have the similar pattern. I'm sure mostly all of them, and this is the beginning of the correction. I mean, I'm expecting at least 1 week or 2 weeks maximum of pain for all the altcoins. Now let's continue with okay, Ethereum and SEAL. Okay, Ethereum, same thing as Bitcoin. We have sell signal confirmation we have right now for Ethereum. This is very simple. As long as holding yeah, $3,000, $3,000 is the level I'm gonna start looking for Ethereum, and this asset must hold $3,000. Yeah, at least all the weekend here like this, and after that you can speculate other leg up. Yes, same as Bitcoin. Any close below $3,000, you will see full retrace to 2,500. Yeah, but I don't think that is gonna happen. I don't think that is gonna happen for now. Okay, so let's talk about SEAL. SEAL. Oh my god. I have a question. Why do you want to buy this? Yeah, all in. Okay, yes, all in to the moon. You see? Okay, as a trader, I will never buy this. Never. Here, never. Okay. Second, the call for SEAL in my private channel was around here. In my private channels, I said, okay, SEAL is looking good. Honestly, I was not expecting it's gonna do something like this. No, but I have the technical analysis was like that. I was at least testing the MA55 around 0.10 was the first target for the weekly basis. After 3 weeks, well, this one I think is just FOMO. Okay, so but here we have the buy signal here. It's very strong, yes. It's getting stronger, yes. Maybe more upside, yes. Potentially, yes. But I think in one day chart we will see correction first. Let me see here. Yeah, this is super high, and the correction is gonna be nasty. I think. Let me see. Yeah, any close right now? Actually, right now, 220. The next level is gonna be. It's very hard. Actually, it's very hard. But point 12, point 15 is gonna be the level I'm gonna start looking for. Yes, around point 11, point 12 is the level in 4-hour chart. I'm gonna start looking for corrections. Okay, so let's continue with AVAX. Let's continue with AVAX. One moment. Okay, I think 1-day chart. Guys, many altcoins, they have the same pattern as Bitcoin. Let me see. Yes, same thing. So there is no entry right now for altcoins in 4-hour or even 1-day chart. You have to wait maybe at least all the weekend, half of the next week, and you will see potentially an entry for altcoins. Right now, all the altcoins, they are in red, and they will be in red at least today and tomorrow. So let me see other one. AVAX, okay, Ethereum, okay. RC, I think it's the same. Same, you see? Sell signal in 1-day chart. So same thing, as long as holding, let me see. This area, $1. This asset cannot break $1. Any close below in 1-day chart, of course. Any close below in 1-day chart below the MA55, you will see full retrace all the way down to 0.70. But as I said, I think it's smart if you wait for Bitcoin, confirm the reversal here first, and after that you can start looking for altcoins. If you see Bitcoin is holding here for all the week, something like this, right? Something like this, and after that you can expect other upside. Yes, okay, okay, you can start looking for altcoins. Right now, many altcoins, they will just keep dropping. As you can see here, well, for example, Mana right now is breaking the MA55 here. This is continuation potentially to the downtrend. This is potential downtrend. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. You want to buy, you can buy, of course. I am not saying you buy yourself, okay? Second thing, this is not the moment. The best moment to buy altcoins was 2 weeks ago, not now. Okay, if you want to buy altcoins right now, wait for the pullback for many of them because they are following Bitcoin, and after that, when you see a buy signal, I don't know the system you are using or how you are trading, but if you are following your system, wait for your system to tell you when to enter. Okay. If they are looking so strong, just buy all in 100x. So, but no, I mean, in my case, it's about risk management. Okay, so as a trader, you need to focus more about how to protect your capital, minimizing your losses, than making money. That is the best way we can trade. If you are just focusing how much money you can make, but you don't know how to manage your risk, you will lose everything eventually. Okay, so please just calm down. I said, I think 3 or 4 days I said, hey guys, Bitcoin is testing a very, very important resistance right now. It's not smart buying altcoins right now. I will wait, and after 2-3 days after what happened. That's why you have to wait and don't rush and don't chase the market. That is the most important thing. Especially if you are new in the markets, that's that feeling, right? Like the FOMO, right? I'm missing out, right? Please try to calm down and just wait for the setup to emerge. Okay, for example, now DOT. I was in DOT around here, around this area, and I said, okay, I have some rules, right? So I will never buy here. So when I saw potential sell signal here, I closed my position, but not that I'm not trying to say this is bearish. Of course not. This is a potential reversal. Yeah, potential reversal. Why? Because DOT must hold this area without breaking, of course, the MA55. That is the thing. And also the worst scenario is that as long as holding $18 with 50 cents, this is like this, okay? And the long-term target, it should be around 28, around here, okay? But let me tell you something, many altcoins in macro time frame, they are in downtrend. For example, Cardano is in downtrend, in weekly reversal. Yeah, this is a weekly reversal, and this is like this, okay? Testing area of supply here, getting rejected, and potentially we can say, okay, this is to the downside. Potentially yes, but we need to see key levels breaking. For example, here, as long 87 cents, 1897 is holding, well, we can expect, okay, this is holding, you will see some sideways here, potential accumulation, and after that, yes, okay, you can start thinking to the moon, right? That is the first scenario. The second scenario is you wait for the break, test in this area, $1, yeah, and after that, continuation in weekly chart, okay? So, but you have to wait for the pattern, of course, with indicators and your tools to emerge, right? So I think that's it, guys. Let me see if I need to check something else. No, I don't think so. Let me see. We can check a stocks if you want. Let me see, SP 500. Okay, so we have buy signal here, ADX get a negative here, this is a buy signal, okay? This is a buy signal in weekly chart. The volume is not following the stocks anymore, as you can see here, since November 2021. So potentially it could be a bull trap, maybe, but I need to see levels breaking. So any close below 4,400, you will see full retrace, okay? So, but I don't think so. I don't think that is gonna happen as long states always they are printing money like toilet paper, so I don't think that is going to happen soon. So this is a reversal. This is a potential reversal in progress. The same thing, let me show you here. More downside, yes, of course, like something like this, right? Potential reversal here, as long this area is holding between 4,400 4,300. From here I am speculating other test to the top of the area, okay? So let me see Tesla. I think same as SP 500. Yeah, same thing here. We have in the highest area of resistance right now here in the area of supply. So of course here never. So you need to wait for the pullback here, and after that, if this area is holding, well, yeah, continuation to the upside. So let me see here. We have potential sell signal very soon. Maybe next week we will see a sell signal for this, and you will see Tesla dropping next week. Okay, so let's continue with. Yes, look, I did Ethereum. So maybe you can check. Oh, let's check again. It's the same as Bitcoin. Let me see. What is that? BRPH. What is that? What is that? I never heard. Okay, let me see. BRPH. What is this? Galaxy Digital Holdings. Okay, let me see. I can tell you what I can tell you about this. Okay, so this is the very interesting chart. Okay, as long $17.16 is holding, this is like this. Yeah, but the problem with this, and I can see right now, this is too high. This is just the start. And the ADX is negative, so that means there is a very high probability maybe potentially this level is not gonna hold. If you see any close below $16.80, $15.50, you will see full retrace to $11. So be careful here. I think you're gonna enter here, enter with confirmation always. Amazon. Sell signal, same thing. Same stock market is doing the same thing. Here, major resistance. here. This is a pullback here, and this area around here, 3,100 is the area I'm gonna start looking for. Actually, first level is 2,200, but honestly, I don't think so. I think around there, 2,100 is the level I'm gonna start looking for 1-day chart for this one. Yes, we have sell signal right now here. So we have sell signal here, ADX negative below 23, so that means this move was not strong enough. So around 2,100 is the level I'm gonna start looking for. Okay, so GME, let me see. Let me see here. Oh my god, this is looking like a shitcoin. Okay, we have here, this is the biggest area of supply, and this is the point this asset cannot break, around 123. As long as above here, I am speculating you will see a pullback here, and from there sideways, and as long as holding here, other test, and maybe potentially other test to the top of the range. We have ADX is still positive here. We have the squeeze, as you can see here. Yes, actually it's still strong, maybe sideways here, but eventually maybe a pullback you will see. Okay, so let's see ARK. Well, I think the technical is there. It's downtrend, as you can see here. I don't change anything. I don't need to change anything. It's the same thing. Potential. This is like this. I mean, I cannot change the trend, and this is like this. It's exactly the same. Okay, it's the same, and even worse right now because potentially we'll have sell signal here is breaking is below 23. That means this move to the upside here was just a corrective move. Okay, so I think that's it. Let me see other question. Oh yeah, what are you told about? Okay, let me see. Bitcoin, 3-day chart and 5-day chart. 5-day chart, I talk about it. Let me see the 3-day chart. Same thing. Breaking the MA55 here, testing this area, and as you can see here in 3-day chart, same thing. All the time frames, weekly chart, 1-day chart, 3-day chart, 5-day chart, they have the same range. Area of supply $47,000, 48, and area of demand between 42 and 43. Yeah, any close below $42,000, you will see full retrace to 39, maybe a small bounce there, but actually this is gonna be a full rejection in the weekly chart, and you will see all this structure destroyed, and you will see $30,000 again. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna happen. As I said before, step by step, level by level, right? So as long as this area is holding, this area, this is like this, okay, in general. Okay, let's continue with, what is that? Yes. Okay. Yeah, the war, right? I know the war. My God, beautiful. Let me see the monthly. I think the monthly is gonna be better. Well, this is looking like a shitcoin, but okay, so oh my God, it's very hard to say this. It's looking like a DeFi project. This, you know, that tokens, right? In PancakeSwap, right? Like this. It's looking like this. Okay, this is a downtrend, right? We respect the downtrends. Okay, this is a downtrend. The only thing I can tell you here is this is the biggest area of resistance or supply here. From here, I'm expecting a correction here, a potential continuation to the downside. Okay, so let me see the monthly if we have something. Well. For first time, we have something different here. Let me show you something here. We have always divergences forming in monthly, like this, from here and here, and actually already play out, as you can see here. So, but the trend is your friend. As long as it's below the MA55, I cannot change the trend, and I'm expecting a pullback. Yeah, in the monthly. In weekly chart, let me see. Yeah, same thing. As long as below 0.01, this is not good. You need to see, you want to change the trend. You need to do something like this, breaking this level, testing this area, and after that continuation to the upside. Okay, but this is just it's a downtrend. Okay guys, I think I finished for today. So let me see, recap for Bitcoin. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, 2 days ago we were talking about I was expecting a pullback, as you can see here. Well, that pullback happened here. We were two days ago we were talking about this, the potential pullback, and the technical analysis was like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have the first technical analysis was from here to this point and this point. Perfect, good. Now what we are gonna do next, well, at least in my case, first of all, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna watch Netflix and relax, because I'm gonna wait for the next setup. As long Bitcoin is holding $42,000, the next move I am speculating for Bitcoin and altcoins, of course, is to the upside. Other test to $49,000, and if Bitcoin is strong enough, you will see a potential uptrend. Of course, we'll have the confirmation of the uptrend, and potentially the highest level I'm speculating Bitcoin in the next 2 months is around $56,000. If Bitcoin is holding this area, of course. I think that's it, guys. That's it for today. I think, let me see something else. No. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much, and well, see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero.